Hello everyone. Start to the paper first, fourth lesson, Visual Basic. What is mean by Visual Basic? That is a design to the commands and components using the application working for the VB. VB stands for a visual. This is menu bar. Creating the menu bar more than a application and more than a points. First is a file. What is the purpose in a file? Contains commands for opening and saving projects and creating executable files and a list of a recent project working of a file. Means file मध्ये तुम्ही फाइल सेव ओपन करायची असेल, सेव्ह करायची असेल किंवा एडिटिंग एक्झिस्ट त्याच्यासाठी तुम्ही फाइल हे ऑप्शन यूज करणार आहात. देन सेकंड वन इज अ एडिट पर्पज ऑफ अ एडिटिंग कमांड्स, फॉर एक्झाम्पल कॉपी, पेस्ट, find and replace. This is a working for a edit. Third one is a view. What is a view? It is a contains commands for showing or hiding components of the IDE. What is a IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Then fourth number is project. Project contains commands that add components to the current project, references and new tools to the toolbox. Then next one is a format. It is a format commands for aligning the controls on the form. Means जो फॉर्म तुम्ही क्रिएट करणार असाल त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काही कमांड्स यूज करून जर अलाइन चेंज करायचे असेल तर तुम्ही फॉर्मॅटचा यूज करू शकतात. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डिबग. Debug contains usual debugging commands. Then next, run. Run, it is a main purpose of a start, break and end execution of the current application. Then next, query. Query, it is a main purpose of available when building database application. Then next, diagram. It is a available building database application used for a editing database diagram. Then next one is a tools. What is mean by tools? It is a tools those are needed in building ActiveX components and ActiveX controls. This is the main purpose of a tools. Then next is a add-ins. It is a command to add and remove add-ins. This is a main work for a add-ins. Then next, it is a window. Window, main purpose of arranging window on the screen. Then last one is a help. It is a contains information to help you ask your work. Next, the project explorer. It is a displays the components of the project. Simple project, same made up of a single form of a project window. It is a called as a project explorer. This is a main purpose of a look of a window explorer. Next point, toolbox. It is a contains icons of the control you can place form of a create the application user interface. Then toolbox contains the pointer icon and the icons of the 20 ActiveX control use the toolbox. Next one is the properties window. What is mean by properties window? The properties setting for the selected control. Then properties are attributes of an object such as the size, caption and color. This is a main work from a properties window. Next one is the form designer. What is a main window in the middle of the screen and in you design, edit the application user interface. The two form, first is the form itself and second one is a code window. Then next one is the form layout. The layout window lower right corner of the VB IDE to determine the initial position of the forms in your application. Then last one is the immediate window. The immediate window, it is a IDE is a debugging AID and step into the application code while to be executed. It is a main purpose of executes and change the value of the variable. It is a insert statement in the execution of the application. Then next, the elements of the user interface, it is a use of a controls. The first element of the user interface in the form, then window display, it is a runtime, acts as a container and all elements of the interface. Look at this diagram, layout of a toolbox. Toolbox means contains the icons of the control you can place form of a create the application user interface, that is a use icons 20 active X control. Look at this figure. This is the first is a arrow declared by the pointer, second A is a declared by the label, then XY declared by the frame, right click declared by the checkbox, then combo box, horizontal scroll bar, timer, directory list box, shapes for example circle, ellipse, square, that is a use and a shapes, image box, object linking embedding, then picture box, AB, small ab declared by the text box, command button, option button, then next is a list box, vertical scroll bar, same as a working for a horizontal scroll bar but different by the horizontal and vertical, then drive list box, file list box, lines and data toolbox. This is the main points of a layout of a toolbox. Thank you students, keep watch my video.